Delicious fruit salad recipes, healthy and refreshing. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat for your taste buds because we'll be sharing some mouth-watering fruit salad recipes that are not only delicious, but also super healthy and refreshing. So, grab your favorite fruits and let's get chopping. First up, we have the classic fruit salad. It's a timeless favorite that's perfect for any occasion. You will need 2 cups of fresh strawberries, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of fresh grapes, red and green, 2 bananas, sliced, 1 orange, peeled and segmented, 1/4 cup of honey, juice of 1 lemon. In a large mixing bowl, combine the strawberries, blueberries, grapes, bananas, and orange segments. Squeeze the lemon juice over the fruit to add a zesty kick. Drizzle the honey over the fruit for a touch of sweetness. Gently toss everything together until well combined. Chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before serving. If you're looking for a taste of the tropics, you're going to love this tropical paradise fruit salad. You will need 2 cups of fresh pineapple chunks, 1 cup of fresh mango chunks, 1 cup of fresh papaya chunks, 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, chopped, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. In a large bowl, combine the pineapple, mango, and papaya chunks. Sprinkle the shredded coconut over the fruit for that tropical flair. Add the chopped mint leaves for a burst of freshness. Drizzle the lime juice over the mixture. Gently toss everything together until it's evenly coated. Refrigerate for at least 15 minutes to let the flavors meld. For all the berry lovers out there, this one's for you. Our berry blast fruit salad. You will need 2 cups of fresh strawberries, halved, 1 cup of fresh raspberries, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of fresh blackberries, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves, thinly sliced. In a mixing bowl, combine the strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Drizzle honey over the berries for a touch of sweetness. Add fresh lemon zest for a zesty kick. Sprinkle the thinly sliced mint leaves for a burst of flavor and color. Gently toss to combine all the ingredients. Let it sit for 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. There you have it. 3 delightful fruit salad recipes that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you prefer the classic, a taste of the tropics, or a berry blast, these fruit salads will surely satisfy your cravings for something sweet, healthy, and refreshing. Which one will you be trying first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll see you next time with more delicious recipes.